Ellie was the smallest elephant in her herd. She had tiny feet, tiny ears, and the tiniest sneeze. Achoo sounded more like a whisper. The big elephants laughed. That's not a real sneeze. One dry day, dust filled the air. Everyone started to sneeze loudly, achoo, scaring the birds and making a mess. But Ellie's little achoo was just enough to clear her nose without causing a fuss. A wise old elephant smiled. Sometimes, small is just right. Ellie beamed. Her sneeze might have been tiny, but it was perfect.